Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through one of our newest listings. This is a 2025 Scout 281 XSS. Perfect boat for Charleston. This one is in the full hull shark gray gel coat with the Midnight Edition package, so the black powder coating and underside of the hardtop on the inside. The trailer you see here is a custom fitted trailer for this hull. It is included with the boat, along with the Garmin Kraken trolling motor up front. Coming around to the back, also have a black rub rail with an upgraded stainless steel insert. Power pole mounted off the starboard side. Jack plate standard with this boat. This boat's powered with the V10 5.7 liter 400 horsepower Mercury R. Planes really quickly, and it approaches speeds well over 50 miles per hour. Swim platforms on either side with a reboarding ladder to the port side. And now we'll make our way inside the boat. So starting here in the cockpit on Scout's 281 XSS, you'll see why this is one of my favorite boats from Scout. When everything is in the down position, we have a huge transom area here with a lot of walkable space. Got steps up to the back on either side. C-deck foam flooring, so some extra comfort on your feet. If you're doing any casting back here, or you're just maneuvering around here as you're approaching the dock or the sandbar, it's a really nice use of space. We have a really wide stern seat that can easily seat 3 adults, has a nice, tall, comfortable backrest, and access to the boat's bilge area, along with dedicated space for a couple of buckets, is really well done by Scout on this boat. We have fish boxes on both sides, repeated port and starboard with the blue interior. And then a nice feature is beneath both these lockers, we have dedicated fender storage. If you want to check or add to the oil on the V10 400, you've got the top cowling service door. You can easily get to that and remove the entire cowling with one arm with that lever right there. JL audio sound system on this boat in the gunmetal gray with that Midnight Edition package. Backside of the leaning post here, we have a slide out Yeti cooler. Live well with blue interior. Corian countertop with cup holders and rod holders, and black powder coated grab rails. And we have raw and fresh water wash downs on retractable reels. We have fold out tackle storage on the port side of the leaning post, and more storage here on the starboard side with a dedicated space for pliers and screwdrivers and other tools. Here at the helm, subwoofer beneath. We have fold down bolsters, so whether you're in a seated position or in a leaning position when you're operating the boat, you got a comfortable place to be at the helm, along with fold down armrests. Got a nice vinyl dash cover, keep your electronics protected. 16-inch Garmin touchscreen. We've also got the Fusion Bluetooth stereo on board. We have dual phone chargers, induction style phone chargers that lock your phone into place. Overhead we have the VHF radio, controls for the power pole, our Mercury vessel view screen. This boat only has 54 hours on it. Switching overhead in addition to the digital switching that you have in the Garmin. So we can control lights and pumps and other things like that, in addition to controlling the sound system through the screen. Digital throttle and shift with that Mercury R engine, along with active trim. Controls for our jack plate are here as well. On the back of the hardtop, we have rocket launcher style rod holders, also great for flying a flag. Coming over to the head area, our battery switches and key ignition is located in here. You can see we've got the porcelain toilet with a nice synthetic floor that does drain. Plenty of storage space So whether you're using this for storage or you need to use the facilities, you got a nice comfortable space to do so. This boat does have the fender pros, so the quick connects for your fenders, so you're not cluttering up your cleats with multiple lines. And then one of the nicest areas on this boat is the bow area. You can see how wide and spacious it is up front. Molded in backrest as well. So even though this is a bay boat, this is very deep, so everybody's going to feel safe and secure up front. Got powder coated grab rails here as well. The storage up here is really nicely done. A lot of big, versatile, deep storage. See, huge fishing bag up front. It's also where batteries are located. Boat does have a battery charger for the house and engine system, as well as the trolling motor batteries. Great storage underneath the coffin box here as well. You see how deep that is? And everybody's favorite place to sit. Got a nice contoured seat so it hits your back comfortably. Armrests that fold down. Two adults can easily sit here very comfortably. Great use of space up front here as well. If you're going to do any casting on this boat, or again if you're approaching a beach or a dock, somebody can maneuver around here safely and comfortably with all this usable bow space. We do have anchor windlass up front with pedal controls in the foredeck, in addition to what you have back at the helm. On top of the hardtop, we do have a razor light, so if you're coming back at night, you can illuminate the dock nicely. There's also a bow shade kit. You can see the stainless eyelets here. So you can shade this entire area when you're beached, anchored, or docked. And this boat also does include a boat cover. If you have any questions about this boat, feel free to call us. Ask for Kyle Scanlon. Again, my name is Carl Anderson. I'm the general manager here at MarineMax in Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.